Here's an option for an egress window or any window well that's a problem. You can put a small sump pump system in. You can see all the holes that are drilled in the basin so that the water can run through the stone that it's buried in. So as the water collects in this window well, it used to be a problem. Now the sump pump takes it up, and this is plumbed to, believe it or not, just a downspout, an underground downspout system is where it's plumbed to. For yard water solutions, give us a call. And if you'd like to continue to learn more about yard to watering, subscribe.